Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl J-Marie and thanks for tuning in to yet another video on Tuesday because that's when you can expect me every week. So for this video, I really just did my 3 top smoothies, but it's a smoothie per craving. So I did when you're craving sweets, I did when you're just like in the mood for a slushie, but slushies are like high in sugar, and so what you really want to do is go and make you a smoothie. And I did one for when you mix breakfast. So yeah, let's just go ahead with the video. The first smoothie that we're going to start off with is the dessert one. It's actually really good for you. This is my protein shake that I have every single day, so if you've ever seen a video by me, you already know what I'm about to do. I'm going to put some banana in it to really get that milkshake type flavor. I really just enjoy putting bananas in my smoothie for the potassium that they give. I'm gonna put some spinach in it because, as you guys know, I eat a lot of vegetables. And we're gonna top that off with some almond milk. Just about a cup of almond milk should do it. And last but certainly not least is what makes this smoothie. It's the Herbalife cookies and cream protein powder. I put 2 scoops of that, and we're gonna blend it up, and you have like banana pudding right there. It's so good if you're like just craving ice cream, or if you're just craving anything bad for you. If you make one of these bad boys, your craving will go away for sure. And so let's just go ahead and blend that up real quick. The next one that I have for you guys is like a slushy type flavor. I just poured in some coconut water, and then I'm gonna put some mango chunks as well as some strawberries. I really think that this is good for the summer. Like, as we're coming up in the summer, some people are sitting poolside. This is definitely one of those drinks to like have with you when you're like really wanting a slushie, or like not ice cream, but like a push pop. This is one of those things that you could like have. And of course I'm gonna put a banana because I just love that consistency when a banana is in it. I'm just gonna put like half a cup of almond milk, just for flavor, not really for anything else other than flavor. And we're gonna blend that up, making sure it's really smooth. Really like that color. And then we're just going to pour that into a cup. Nice. The last one that I have for you guys is, I said this smoothie is for if you missed breakfast. So this would be great for a morning on the run. I put half the banana, then I put some almond milk, and then I'm just cutting up 1 kiwi. I don't eat a ton of kiwi because it does like put texture to my tongue, but I love the taste of it in this smoothie, the way it mixed with the other fruit. Then I put some spinach, and then after that I'm gonna put some mixed blueberries. It has raspberry, some mixed berries. I said mixed blueberries. Mixed berries. It has raspberry, blueberry, and blackberry. And then I put some flaxseed, and that's what's really important for this to compensate for your breakfast. That flaxseed does to your body what oatmeal would do. It really fills you up, and it has that fiber aspect. Then for myself personally, I always like to put probiotic in my breakfast smoothies because it just helps my digestive system run a little bit smoother, if you know what I mean. So yeah, just blend that a little bit, pour it into a cup just like the rest, and voila, that is great for breakfast. Okay. And there you have it, all your smoothies.
Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you really like this video, you would probably like my, I don't know what corner it's gonna pop up in, but my what I eat in a day video. Let me know in the comments if you like this style video where I did a food for a craving, so that you can stay on track with your goals. Don't forget to like and definitely subscribe if you want to see videos like this. And please share this link out, help a sister out, you know, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying. All right, work, sweat, achieve. J. Marie.